Are you tired of the gender wars? Are you exhausted by the endless cycle of misnaming, shaming, and blaming that dominates our feeds and our timelines? We see the constant finger pointing, we hear the noise and feel the division. But notice how nothing ever actually changes? If you're ready to stop spinning wheels and start advancing the conversation, then you've found your home. Welcome to The Measure. This isn't just a channel, it's a movement. It's a call to a higher standard. We're inviting you to join us as we redefine what it means to grow by using the NAOMI Framework, navigating adulthood with objectivity, maturity, and integrity. Every week, we're going to look in the mirror and level up. We're going deep with The Measure NAOMI Masterclasses for those long-form, soulful, deep dives and conversations. And when you need it straight, fast, and unfiltered, look out for The Measure NAOMI Cold Bars, my quick takes that cut through the fluff. This mission stems from a question my mother constantly asked me when I was growing up. By what measure do you measure that which you measure? Do you measure up? It's time we all answer that question for ourselves. Subscribe, follow us across all social media platforms, and let's connect. Let's move past the noise. Let's navigate this life with intention, and together, let's make sure we all measure up.